Prime Day has come and gone. Did you take advantage of the deals? Did you look for ways to boost your preparedness while saving money at the same time? If you did, awesome. If you didn't, let's talk about kind of what I saw, how I did it, and what you should be thinking about as we head closer to the next big deals, which will be end of summer clearance, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, just because we want to give people a percentage off day. Always be looking for deals. Stay tuned. We'll talk about it in a second. Hey everybody, I'm Casey. Welcome back to Cascadia Dispatch, prepping for non-preppers. Today we are going to talk about Prime Day. I'm going to kind of show you my Prime Day haul. I never thought I would do a haul video, but I think it might be helpful. And then we're just going to kind of talk about why it is that I bought what I bought on Prime Day and ways for you to think about sales and deal events that can increase your preparedness, save you money, and maybe think a little bit outside the box from what you would normally think about when you're buying preparedness equipment. So let's dive in, shall we? So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a like, drop us a comment, let us know if you got some stuff on Prime Day, if you normally shop the deals when you're looking for preparedness equipment, because we always want to know those sorts of things. So why was Prime Day a great opportunity if you wanted to increase your preparedness? Well, most people, when they think about preparedness, they think kind of survival equipment. They're thinking, gas masks and bunkers and things like that. And a lot of what we have tried to outline in our previous videos is preparedness equipment is similar to camping equipment, is similar to everyday equipment. It's more how you think about using the equipment as opposed to what the equipment is named. And so days like Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, where companies are putting a variety of items on sale, is a great opportunity for you to get things that maybe you use in your everyday life that you want to stock up on, something you've had an eye on and it's going to be on a really great sale, so it's an opportunity to get it at a discount. They're great opportunities for you to do that and save money. You need to know kind of what you need and what you want and how you want to think about it. But with that forethought going into a day like Prime Day or Cyber Monday or Black Friday, you have an opportunity to get great deals. For the last couple of Black Fridays and Cyber Mondays, as I was going through my preparedness journey, that's when I got like my really wonderful backpacks that I love. That's where I got the generator that we have. When those items went on big sales, that was my opportunity to pick up that piece of equipment. There are other times where I pick up smaller items, and you'll see in my kind of haul, I can't believe I'm doing a haul video, but you'll see in my haul, a lot of what I got were kind of everyday items. Some were things that I had an eye on, but at a retail price wasn't sure that I wanted to get it, but when they went on sale, I figured I'd test them out. I didn't get anything major this year on Prime Day, mostly because I have kind of done that over the last couple of years. So there isn't a major purchase that I feel like I need to make right now. But for people who are just starting out, there were great opportunities to do that. So I'm going to use Prime Day as my example, but this applies to any sort of a sale. This applies to the big sales, the little sales, clearance sales, closeouts, end of season. It's really about understanding, and if you go to our kind of inventory assessment, which I will link the video up above, and I'll put the link in the description if you'd like to get it, where we kind of walk through what you're preparing for and then where you are from kind of a gear and equipment perspective. It gives you a matrix of really kind of where you might want to pick up some additional equipment, where you maybe have too much equipment. And so when you're going into these sorts of sale opportunities, you can kind of look at that list and say, oh, well, maybe I do need a tent. Maybe I need some emergency food. Maybe I need a water filter. And then you have the opportunity as you're going through these big sales to say, oh, tents aren't on sale, but water filters are, and let me take advantage of that and get it right now. So that's what I've done for the last couple of years, is kind of have my list of things that I wanted or felt like we needed, and then as sales have come up, look to see which of those items were on a discount that were in the budget and made sense. A great example from Prime Day is a bunch of Coleman kind of tents and camping equipment were like 40% off, which if you didn't have a tent or you didn't have a camping stove or you didn't have sleeping pads or sleeping bags, That was a great deal. They usually do it on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so if you missed out this time, stay tuned. They may do it again for those days as well. But that would be a great opportunity if you didn't already have that stuff to jump on and pick that up at a lower price. So what did I get on Prime Day? Well, some of the stuff I got was on sale and some of it wasn't, and I'll go explain kind of why. But one of the things I got were wipes. I got lots of wipes. The Baby Organics, organic, alcohol-free sanitizing wipes. I've mentioned these in a few videos. We have the little individual pouches that we keep in emergency kits and the kids' emergency kits. This is kind of a bigger package where you can kind of pull the bigger wipes out. These are great. They came in a big box. They were on sale. We use them a lot. So it was a great opportunity to stock up on these because we use them for a variety of things, including in case of an emergency. On the same wipe kind of theme, water wipes. These are great. They are super duper sensitive, or they're great for sensitive skin. One of our children has really sensitive skin, and so some of the kind of harsher baby wipes are a little much for him. So having something like this, it's mostly water, so there isn't a great like cleanser in there, but it does a really great job of kind of cleaning hands and wiping up sticky messes and that sort of stuff. So these are great. We use them a lot. Again, these were on sale, and it was a great opportunity to stock up on something that we would use for an emergency, but we also would use, or we'd use for a big emergency, but we'd also use them for a smaller emergency. So one of the things that I think was on a lightning deal, and some of this, when you have something like a Prime Day, there were lightning deals, there were regular deals, there were discount deals. I don't remember exactly which of these were lightning deals and which of these were just kind of discounted coupon-y sort of things. But in a situation like this, and it happens on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, some things are just on sale, and then some of them are the special super discounts. So keep an eye on that. You may have something that's on a normal sale that then goes on a super special discount, and you want to take advantage of that. But these are the little travel Purell bottles. So these are really small. They come with these little hook things that you can kind of connect, loops around. So you can loop it on a keychain, you can loop it on a bag. I don't know that I'm gonna loop this on anything. It's more to kind of put in emergency bags and cars and things like that. But this is great. We would use it regularly, just in our daily life. We would use it in an emergency. I think you can refill these. So having the little mini bottles is gonna be helpful for whether we refill it with Purell or whether we refill it with a different brand. But just having this size on a discount is a great thing. Who does not love Sharpies, especially in about 3,000 colors? So Sharpies are great. Sharpies write on everything, or most things that you would want to write on. I'm sure there's things they don't write on, but most of the things that I think to write on, they would write on. They don't wash off. So these are great. I have boxes of all black, but having the color option, and the color pack was actually on sale. The standard black was not on sale. The colors were on sale. So this is another time where understanding that I have a bunch of black ones, so I don't need more black markers, but the fact that the colored ones were on sale, those I could use. They're great because a lot of times if you're just writing in black writing, you may want different colors. You may want to make signals or notations or organize using different colored Sharpies. So having the different colors is really great. I wouldn't recommend having all of your Sharpies be multicolor. I would definitely recommend having most of them be black because a lot of people just like black writing. Having some in multiple colors is a helpful thing. So these were on sale. I picked those up. These will get spread out amongst emergency bags and at home in the garage. And it's always great to save money on something like this. So the next thing I got on Prime Day was kind of my experiment. This is something I've had my eye on for a little while, and paying full price didn't seem like a great idea, but I think it was on a lightning deal, and so it was worth giving it a shot. And what it is in case of a car emergency, instead of having a lighted flare, there are these really cool little LED flared discs. I have some that are kind of LED sticks, which we'll go over when we talk about vehicle preps and things like that, what I keep in my car, what I keep in my wife's car. So we'll get there. Again, subscribe if you're interested. We'll let you know when that video is available. This is kind of a different version. These are more like hockey pucks, but when you turn them on, they light up on the top, they light up around the sides, they have a little hanger in the back, so you can actually hang this. I mean, you could hang it in a tent, you could hang it in a car, you could hang it from your trunk if you're out and about. You can stick these on things. I believe on the back, yes, if you peel this sticker back, that's where the magnet is. So you actually can take this and stick it to your car. So instead of having to go out in the middle of the night and drop flares out and have them go out, this is gonna run on LEDs. It's gonna run on a really small battery. It's gonna stick to your car, and it's gonna give you a great way of letting people know that you're in need of help, or your car is disabled or whatever, without kind of all of the other mess that would go along with flares and that sort of thing. So these are something that I wanted to test out. Again, they were on sale, so it's a great opportunity to do it. And these LED style flares, be it the longer sticks or these discs, is a great thing that I've started to kind of look at for all of our cars and managing that. So the last thing that I got on Prime Day that was preparedness related was the Maxpedition Beefy Pouch. This is what I use for the kids' emergency kits, and I decided I was going to transition my emergency kit that I kind of keep with me, or my emergency pouch that I keep in my laptop bag and transition places, to this pouch from the EDC. EDC is smaller. This seems to organize better. It seems to hold the equipment that I want to include in it better. So I really like the idea of upgrading. The reason I got this, it was not on sale. It was not on a lightning deal, but they were running a promotion for if you have an Amazon Visa card, you would get extra bonus points for making purchases with your Visa card on Prime Day. So instead of waiting a couple of weeks and buying it, for the regular price and not getting the bonus points, I decided to actually get it then and get the bonus points. So sometimes with the deal, it's not necessarily the price. There may be other things around that deal day that they are offering that might be a good opportunity for you to buy something, especially if you were planning on buying it anyway, maybe buying it a couple of days earlier or a week earlier to get some additional benefit, especially if you're buying other things, may actually be a good option. So that's why I bought this on Prime Day. Again, it wasn't on sale, but we got bonus points, and bonus points are bonus points. So that is gonna wrap up my very first haul video. Did you like the video? Do you like haul videos? Do you wanna see just more kind of gear that I have? If so or not, leave a comment below, let me know. This was kind of a different thing. I've seen other channels do similar things and thought I'd give it a shot. So let me know what you think, if this is something that would be of interest going forward, if there are other types of haul type things you'd want to see, let me know. Again, the biggest point of this video was just to remind you and show you that sometimes we think about preparedness equipment or gear in a very siloed way. And if you kind of can take a step back and look at it more broadly, there are opportunities for you to improve your preparedness and improve kind of the gear that you have and the kind of emergency supplies that you have for less money, by just being aware and thinking outside the box of the stores that you would shop at, of the time of year that you would shop at for it, and getting it on discounts and deals will help you and your family going forward. So that was kind of the point. I hope that it was clear to you and helpful. Again, if it was, let me know in the comments below. We've gotten some comments and I respond. Thanks again. Again, subscribe, like, share with your friends. We'd love to have them, and we will see you next week for another video. Thanks again. Bye.